Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to hit subscribe. New content comes out every Monday. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm Lauren Kidd. I'm a business and success coach for the busy mompreneur. I teach moms how to start, run, and scale their online businesses while being present in their kids' lives. Doesn't have to be hard. If this is your first time being here, I'm so happy that you're here. If you guys are returning, I'm so happy that you're here too. This channel is growing and I'm just so excited with the feedback that I've been getting from it and all the questions that you guys have. So if you ever have questions, if you're finding this video even 3-4 years down the road, don't forget to just let me know what you want to hear and I'll definitely make sure that you can hear it. Okay? Today, I want to talk about ways to build relationships and not spam. This is, I don't want to say it's the number one question I get because that would be fibbing. I get a whole bunch of other things, but something that I see often, and it's spurred from, it wasn't something that was requested, but it's something that I feel really needs to be said because I have been getting the most redonkulous, yes, I said redonkulous, messages from people, and they're straight up cold messages. And I really, it just breaks my heart. It breaks my heart to read them because, this is what I teach people not to do. This is what I teach you not to do. And I'm going to straight out read you some of the messages that I've been getting. Okay, so bear with me. Number one, hey, I've decided to host another Youthborn book party because I love these children's books and I think you'd really like them too if you don't already. This is not just any party. This is a party with purpose. I won't be keeping any of these books I earn from being a host. I'm doing this party right here on Facebook Monday at 8:30. Can you come check out this books, hang out, buy some books? It's going to really help my sales. Plus, it's going to be super fun. Can't wait to hear back from you. Okay, first of all, you told me that you desperately want me to buy something to help your sales. It's not really a reason for me to come buy stuff from you. Another message that I got. So glad we're friends now. Straight out cold message, new person. I was looking through your pictures and noticed that you never wear makeup. I mean, I wear a tiny bit, but you can barely tell. You totally should. It would make your appearance so much more appealing for others. I sell Avon and I could totally teach you how to look prettier and flaunt what you've got. Dude. You straight up just called me ugly. I'm a mom. Who's got time for that stuff? You're lucky I'm wearing pants today. And you don't even know me. Another one I got. I just started a new business and I added you to my group. You should totally join my LuLaRoe group. It's so cool. I put out new clothes. I didn't even think LuLaRoe was still around. That's my thought. So many fun prints. I know you're going to love them. I see that you've put on some weight. These dresses would be really awesome. They hide everything. I'm sorry, what? You just pointed out my weight? I know I put on weight. I do a lot of stuff. Working out's not one of those things right now. Why is that a selling point? Another message. These are hilarious, guys. I've lost 45 pounds in 9 months with P90X, and I just saw that you had a baby. This was a bit ago. This was a message from a bit ago, but it still made the list because, come on. But I just saw that you had a baby, which I know means you got weight to lose. You should totally come join my challenge group. We've got tons of programs on sale, and I know you'll love it. The thing about this message was when I got it, I was already a Beachbody coach. They didn't even take the hot second to look to see that I was pushing the same stuff they were doing, just in a less icky way. Another one. I promise they're almost done. Hey, I got wraps on sale until tonight. I was looking at your pictures and noticed you could use one. Are you interested? Okay, so let's just talk for a quick second about how all of these are hard no's for me becoming their potential customer, just based on their cold messages. Only one of these persons, the Youthborn book, wrote most recently, is somebody that I even remotely know from high school, who, mind you, I haven't talked to since high school. All of these other ones are straight up cold messages. No. Let's just nix that in the butt. Stop it. I don't care what your MLM is training you to do. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hire somebody who knows. So I don't know about you, but I was personally offended by a number of these. Number one, you said I looked ugly. Okay, cool. Like, I know that my hair's a mess. I know that I barely wear makeup. I promise I have mascara on today for you. Aren't you so excited? I know that you totally cared. It's my number one priority is to appealingly please you. Somebody pointed out my weight. Girl, I know, my jeans are tight. I'm working on it. Back off. You don't have to point it out. So have you ever gotten one of those in your inbox? They're annoying. They're no fun. They're insulting. I know you don't mean it, but you're really insulting. Don't do it. Stop cold messaging people. Let's talk about some things that you want to avoid when it comes to building relationships so that you can make a new client. Granted, all of these examples are from MLMs, okay? And I'm calling them out on purpose because they're far more aggressive. I get daily messages by the dozens of just people cold messaging me. I have coaches who are like way below where I am in my business who are pitching me, and I'm like, oh, let's talk for a minute. Let's have a chat. So let's talk about some things to avoid. Posting blatantly about your business. Don't do it. Nobody wants a stock photo of your stuff. Make it a photo of you and your family using it, or you using it, or you loving it. Number 2, asking your audience to straight out be like, hey, go to my MLM website and click here. They're going to get lost unless you own your website and you have it clearly marked that this is the specific thing that they should be clicking. Don't just willy-nilly send them off into the oblivion. Have a conversation with them first. Number 3, don't make every single post you make about business unless it's on your business page. And even still, there should be a healthy balance between, hey, value pack content, here, I'm helping you, and hey, I got a product on sale. Check it out. Don't talk trash about other competitors. I cannot tell you how often I see this, whether it's in the coaching business or the VA business. VAs are vicious. You guys, rock on. I love working with you, but y'all are mean. Or the MLMs. You guys trash each other. Don't lift each other up. You're a mompreneur. You are hard enough on yourself as it is as being a mom. You don't got to trash talk everybody else to bring everybody else down. Lift everybody up. Let them succeed. Don't use stock photos. Do not use stock photos, company stock photos. This is more geared towards the MLM ladies. Don't use stock photos from your company. I don't want to see a picture of P90X or the new bar program or 21 Day Fix. I don't want to see that. I want to see you using it. I want to see you and your husband using it. I want to see your kids playing with you while you're using it. Okay? And don't have your profile picture be something that's not your face. We want to see you. We want to build a connection with you. We want to get to know who you are as a person. Can't do that if I'm looking at P90X. Sorry, I know that's an old program. It's just the one thing that I'm stuck on. So here's some things to do. Good news. I've got tips for you. Here are some things that you should be doing when it comes to building relationships and not spamming people. Get to know people. Who are they? What are they like? What are their hobbies? Get to know them before you ever try to pitch to them, especially if you don't know the person. Even so, if you know the person, maybe you went to high school with them and you've started this brand new business, that's really cool. And maybe at some point down the line, they will support you. But if you haven't talked to them in, for me, almost 15 years, yeah, I said that, don't cold message me. Ask me how I'm doing. Ask me where I live. You don't even know where I live. I'm not in the burg anymore, dude. Use a picture of yourself in your profile picture. That kind of relates back to the don't do the stock photos. Use a picture of you. We want to see your face. We want to get to know you and who's selling the product, okay? Use a photo of you. Share you using your product. You using it. I don't want to see the stock photos. I want to see you using it. It's more relatable. I'm going to be like, oh my God, I can totally use this program while my son's awake because he's crazy and he's going to want to work out with me. I can do that if he's awake. Use a photo. Invite daily, but not in any of those ways. After you've had conversations, you can have a sales conversation. Hey, I know that we've been talking about this, and I don't know if you're open to having this conversation. If you are, let's chat. It's a great way to start that sales conversation. It invites them to talk to you. You're asking them for permission to have that conversation, to get them on a sales call. So much easier. You're respecting their ability to say no, and 9 times out of 10, they'll say yes because you've already built that foundation with them. Get into groups and share and connect genuinely with others. This is a great way to build relationships. If you haven't already checked out some of my blogs at homeentrepreneur.com/blog, I've got a ton of blogs solely dedicated to Facebook groups and how they can make you a butt ton of money. So go check them out. That's it. That's all I've got for you. Build relationships. Don't spam. Don't be a spammy. It's ucky, it's icky, it makes you feel gross too, even just sending it. I can't tell you how many times somebody's come to me and been like, I sent this message. It's okay, we've all done it. I've done it. I did it when I first started Beachbody almost 7 years ago. I haven't done Beachbody in a long time, but when I started, that's what they taught, okay? So don't feel bad if you've done it. Just start fresh now, okay? If you haven't already, don't forget to hit subscribe. New content comes out every Monday. So glad that you guys are here, and let me know in the comment section below if you want to hear something specific. See you next Monday.